Welcome to Zimbabwe, the House of Stone, known as Zimbabwe.
Right now in Zimbabwe, there is tension in the air. People are restless. There are talks of protests, of change, of waiting. Some say the system is broken. Others say it was never whole to begin with. But this isn't a story of politics. This is a story of people.
Evening, fellow Zimbabweans. My name is Blessed Geza, Comrade Bombshell. I come back to you today, as promised. Let me start by thanking you and congratulating you on the successful demonstrations and stay away we carried out on Monday. I want to thank you all for the support. Together we shall overcome. Today, I'm announcing a further step in our struggle to save Zimbabwe from Emerson and his looting mafia. We have taken our struggle to another level. We are impeaching President Emerson Dambudzo.
I visited Zimbabwe last year, hoping to see its beauty, and I did.
It's been like over 12 hours without electricity.
The land is really breathtaking. But what stayed with me the most was the people. Generous, warm, and hurting. I had a really difficult experience. One I'll never forget. Not because of the people, but because something around them. I felt like it wasn't made for them anymore. I spent 3 weeks in a jail under an accusation that was not real. And this, as a tourist, was the worst experience one can even think of. It's hard to explain. It's like a weight you can't see, a burden. You feel it in the eyes of a young person who's already tired. In the small joys people protect, even when everything feels heavy. In the quiet bravery of a mother feeding her child without knowing how tomorrow will look. So here I have a message to the youth. You are not the powerless. You are not voiceless. You are the page where tomorrow is written. Ask questions, learn, grow. Don't let your fear tell the story. Let the truth and kindness lead. This world tries to make people small, but the truth is, it's the people who carry the weight of everything. Politicians, they come and go. Systems shift. But what lasts is love, community, is the will to keep going. So even when it's dark, know that you're not alone. Know that you matter. You are not forgotten. And even if the world feels upside down, the good still lives here. In you, in the people, in the courage to believe in something better. And maybe someone will say, what can I, someone like me, a white foreigner, understand about this? And that's fair to ask. But let me tell you this. From my heart, my skin is just a color. It doesn't carry power or history by default. Most white people, they live in countries that has never ever had a single colony. My own country was treated like one, silenced, controlled until 1989. So I know something about what it feels like to be a small in the world that doesn't listen. I understand there is a pain, and the same with me after my experience. And I understand there is anger. But please, don't measure people by skin, measure them by their mindset. Hate those who want to control others, not those who simply look like someone else who once did. You should realize this, because real freedom starts when we stop dividing, when we start healing together.
Excellent and traditional cuisine, beautiful women, handsome men, and with over 16 official languages.
Sanibona ibizo lami uDeborah Hlabangana umakalela khathi njengengonyama all the way from Bontu to Ziyathunga.
The population of almost 15 million, Zimbabwe is beautiful. With the roaring thunder, the Victoria Falls, which is one of the largest waterfalls in the world. Can you imagine this? Well, let's take you on a tour. Welcome to Zimbabwe.